How to fix if vibration is not working on your Android phone. Now in order to fix this issue, you just simply need to open your settings application at very first. And after going into these settings, you will get to see this option of sounds and vibration. Just simply open the sounds and vibration and scroll down until you see the option of system vibration in here. Just simply select system vibration, and now you just simply need to check if your system vibration intensity is set to a little higher that you can hear or feel the vibration. Just simply do that, and you can also adjust whichever functions or usability of your phone vibrates your phone. Now if you have disabled all of these, your phone will not vibrate while doing many functions. Now just simply enable the vibration for any of the tasks which fits you, and after that your phone will start to vibrate like normally, like before. This is how you fix if your vibration is not working on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.